Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for every parent out there, choosing the right life insurance plan. Whether you're a new parent or have been in the game for a while, knowing how to pick the best life insurance can give you peace of mind knowing your family is protected. So let's break it down with some expert tips. First things first, let's talk about why life insurance is so important. Life insurance isn't just about covering expenses after you're gone. It's about ensuring your family's future is secure, from education to day-to-day living costs. It's about leaving behind a safety net that can help your loved ones maintain their lifestyle, even in your absence. Now, on to the tips. Tip number 1, assess your needs. Consider factors like your current income, your family's expenses, and any major future expenses like college tuition or a mortgage. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a policy that covers 10 to 12 times your annual income. Tip number 2, understand the types of life insurance available. There are mainly two types, term life insurance and whole life insurance. Term life insurance covers you for a set period, say 10, 20, or 30 years, and tends to be cheaper. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, covers you for your entire life and also builds cash value over time. Each has its pros and cons, so pick the one that aligns best with your long-term financial goals. Tip number 3, compare quotes from different insurers. Don't just settle for the first quote you get. Shop around and compare policies from several insurance companies. Look at not only the premiums, but also the benefits each policy offers. Sometimes, paying a bit more can get you substantially better coverage. And lastly, read the fine print. Understand the terms and conditions of your policy. Know what is covered and, importantly, what isn't. Be aware of any exclusions, limitations, or conditions that could affect a claim. This can save you from unexpected surprises in the future. So there you have it, some straightforward tips to help you choose the best life insurance plan for your family. Remember, the right life insurance plan is a cornerstone of good financial planning and can provide you and your loved ones with long-lasting security. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Your family's future could depend on it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to take care of what matters most.